We can use transfer orders to transfer items between one location to another. And let's now see how we can transfer items inside Dynamics 365 Business Central. First thing that we are going to do is we are going to navigate to Transfer Orders and open the list of transfer orders. Let's now create a new transfer order. So transfer order, we are moving items from one location to another. In our case, we are going to move from location blue to location red. Okay, so we are moving from warehouse blue to warehouse red. Notice that here we automatically got populated information about in-transit code, which is our outsourced logistics. How system knows that we are going to use outsourced logistics for this kind of transfer, because in previous modules we set up transfer routes where we said, okay, when you are moving items from blue location to red, use outsourced logistics. You have also possibility to change this if, for example, outsourced logistics is not available, you can switch to your own logistics or any other in-transit location. Now, when we have information from where to where we are going to move items, we can write items inside the lines because we are going to move and we can only move items from one location to another. And you can type one by one in lines, or there is a function called select items. If you click select items, system will open list of items where you can see how many items you have on your hand. And for example, I will select item Paris guest chair and Antwerp conference table that I want to move from blue to red location. Once I am happy with selection, I will click OK, and system will automatically add both of my items to transfer order lines. And now I can specify what will be the quantity that I want to move. So for example, 2 chairs and 1 conference table. Yep. Notice that system will automatically validate information about quantity to ship, but still we have fields quantity shipped, quantity to receive, and quantity received. If you are using advanced warehouse, you can also include warehouse shipment and warehouse receipts as well. In case you need to have some reservation, you can perform reservation from the inventory, or for example, if you are tracking items with serial numbers or lot numbers, you can use item tracking lines to specify shipment and receipt information. And now, next step is to post. And first thing that we need to post when we are shipping from warehouse is warehouse with shipment. So I will click select ship, and then I will click OK. In a few seconds, system will post transfer order. And as you can see, transfer order is still open, meaning that we still didn't complete this transfer order completely. We see that now that system moved our quantities to quantity shipped and automatically added information to quantity to receive. If in the process of transport or transfer from one location to another, some item got lost, user has always possibility to change quantity to receive and then say that some quantities hasn't been received. Okay. In a few days, let's say that on 23rd of September, we received items on the red location. If I click post, I have default option receive. What now system will do? System will take items from our outsourced logistics and put to our red warehouse. I'll click receive and OK. After our transfer order is successfully posted, it will be automatically deleted, but still we can find results of that transfer, and it's called posted transfer shipment and posted transfer or receipt. So if we take a look at posted transfer receipt, we'll find our posted transfer receipt with from location to location read. If we go to item list and explore item ledger entries for one of the items, so let's see Paris guest chair, and if I click on quantity 16, I can see what happened with my transfer order. First transactions that happened was transfer shipment, where system decreased item quantity from blue location and increased item quantity on our in-transit location, which was in our case outsourced logistics. And then after we received items, Dynamics 365 Business Central decreased quantities from outsourced logistics and increased quantity on red location.